Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today, we are going to steam chicken wings with herbs. This steamed chicken is nutritious and delicious, which is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes, and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Let's start cooking. Chicken wings. Mushrooms. Red dates, goji berries, Cotinopsis pelagula, Polygonatum odoratum, 1 teaspoon Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Add all herbs, mix well, and let it marinate for minimum 30 minutes. Mushrooms, remove stems, washed and sliced. Place chicken wings and mushrooms into steam plate. Steam with high flame for 15 minutes to 20 minutes until chicken is cooked. Steamed chicken wings is done. Smells so good. This steamed chicken is delicious and has a strong aroma of herbs. It's delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Polygonatum odorifera has the effects of nourishing, yin, moistening dryness, producing body fluid, and quenching thirst. It is often used for lung and stomach, yin injuries, dry heat cough, dry throat and thirst, and internal heat to quench thirst. When eating Polygonatum odoratum, be careful not to eat it with antihypertensive drugs or spicy food, as this will affect the efficacy of the medicine. Polygonatum odoratum is sweet in taste, soft and moist in texture. It is a good medicine for nourishing yin and promoting fluid production. No side effects have been found yet. Codonopsis pelagula is sweet in taste and neutral in nature. It has the functions of replenishing vital energy, quenching thirst, strengthening the spleen and lungs, nourishing blood, and promoting fluid production. Generally speaking, the daily dosage of Codonopsis pelagula should be within 15 grams. People who have lingering anger or are irritable should not take it. Otherwise, long-term consumption will over-replenish Qi, leading to damage to righteousness and symptoms such as getting angry. While taking Codonopsis pelagula, avoid eating hellebore, kansui, carp, seafood, oranges, kiwi, papaya, lemon, bitter melon, and broccoli to avoid overestimating their effects or causing adverse consequences. Modern research shows that wolfberry has the effects of lowering blood sugar, anti-fatty liver, and anti-atherosclerosis. In addition, wolfberry is also a good medicine for strengthening the body, replenishing essence and marrow, nourishing yin and kidneys, replenishing Qi and calming the mind, strengthening the body, and delaying aging. It has significant effects on chronic hepatitis, central retinitis, optic atrophy, etc. It also fights tumors. It has a strong effect on improving liver protection, blood pressure lowering, and aging diseases caused by organ decline in the elderly. Red dates are a Qi tonifying medicine, which has the functions of nourishing the stomach and spleen, nourishing blood and Qi, detoxifying, protecting the liver, and enhancing muscle strength. It can moisten the lungs, relieve coughs, treat deficiency, and nourish the stomach. Onions and garlic are pungent and heat-enhancing foods, while red dates and black dates are sweet, pungent, and hot. Eating onions and dates at the same time may increase gas in the body and cause symptoms such as headaches and internal heat, so it is best to avoid eating these two foods together. There are more delicious, easy steamed chicken recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.